Hello everyone, my name is Alex from the Herzum team. Here at Herzum, we are an international IT consulting firm and have been an Atlassian solution partner since 2005. We are your go-to team for everything Atlassian. Today, I want to show you how to supercharge your productivity with Rovo's help. We will explore how Rovo integrates seamlessly with your Atlassian tools to streamline repetitive tasks, expedite complex multi-step processes, and facilitate data-driven decision-making. Let's get started. Your company probably generates a lot of information on a daily basis, and it can be hard to find exactly what you're looking for. But it doesn't have to be if you have your virtual teammate Rovo. Imagine you were assigned to a new project called Design, and you have no details about this project. You only receive that task notification. A starting point can be looking for others working on this project to obtain more information about it. So let's ask Rovo, who is working on the design project? Rovo will search throughout all of our Atlassian tools, and if you have other tools connected to your instance like Drive, Documents, Microsoft Teams, it will also search throughout those tools. And just like that, Rovo has generated a response for us. Now, we can see that it's showing us which users are currently working on the project, what issues they're working on, and some additional information. In this case, we can see the status of each of these issues and their due dates. Now that we know who is working on the project, we can use one of Rovo's search features, knowledge cards. Knowledge cards can give you valuable, up-to-date insights into work goals and projects so you can easily slip into the groove of collaboration. With Rovo, the knowledge cards provide a single view of how your information is connected and related across data sources. So let's search for our team member, Luis Loaiza. When you've searched for a teammate's name, Rovo will search throughout the directory and will show you important details about our team members, including their photo, role, location, team, collaborators, and what they've been working on. This information can help us connect with Whisper and improve your collaboration. This search can be done for teams too. But knowledge cards are not only for finding teammates. Now that we know which issues have been recently worked on and who's been working on these issues, let's say that we decided to read through some of the design documentation and we find an acronym, UI. We're not completely sure what they're referring to, so we can simply ask Rovo, what is UI? And Rovo will search through your company's documentation and provide us with the right meaning and any other relevant information they find on our company's knowledge. It will also tell us exactly where they found this information, and if we have the right permissions, we can add a link as a bookmark for future reference or future search of certain keywords for our team members. Rovo empowers teams to discover knowledge, learn contextually, and take confident, meaningful actions. Thank you for exploring Rovo with us today. At Herzum, we can help you set up Rovo for your team and unlock its full potential. If you like a personalized demo or a deeper dive into any feature, don't hesitate to contact us at info@herzum.com. Together, we can help your team thrive with the power of Rovo and Atlassian AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.